In this video I'm going to continue working on my map. I've finished my compass rose, added the other directions to it, and then one thing my players always want is a scale, and so when I started this series of maps I wrote a scale on one of them. I've copied and pasted it onto this one, but I'm going to set up a different scale for this map so it looks a little nicer. So I'm going to start with a rectangle shape and just draw a little rectangle. I'm going to make it black on the inside and just like that. Then I'm going to copy that and paste it and grab it and move it over and align it here. Now this one I'm going to make white, and then I'm going to copy and paste that one, Control C, Control V, and then do the same with this one, and then add one more. So now I have 5 rectangles, and if I scale these so they're the length of this, it'll be equal to, each of these will be 10 miles. Alright, so I'm going to select all of them, I'm going to group them, I'm going to scale it so that it's the same size as my original scale, which is approximate because that was only sort of approximate. Shrink this down a little bit, and now I have my scale for the map. Now I can go ahead and delete this other one, and this should be on all the maps I draw. This should be the same scale. Now I'm going to add some text to this. Oops, LZ, I didn't like adding that. There we go. And I'm going to write in 50 miles. Like that. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to group this together as the scale. And then actually, before I do that, I want to add a little bit of an outline to this grouping. So I'm going to add an effects to that, and I'm going to add an outline, and on this one I want to have a black outline, which is what it is already. Just a little bit of a black outline, and that looks good. And then I can select these. This one actually I'm going to add a white outline to. So I'll select an outline, make it white. Add a little bit of a white outline, and then select both of these, and then I can group these together so that I can move this around if I want to. Right. The other thing I might want to do is, I know there's a couple other cities on this map that are not drawn as pictures, so if I hold the shift key down, choose the circle tool, and then hold the shift key down, I can make a nice circular shape. I actually want it to be black, I think, and then yeah, and then this one I'm going to call Rahmil, and to fit this text in here I'll make that a little bit smaller so it fits better, and I think I'll change that font to this one. Like that. And then I have another town. I'm going to copy this dot and paste it, and drag the pasted copy over here. And this area is called Mud Flats. And for the font for this one, I'm going to change it to this monotype cursive. I sort of like that font. And I'll put that up here. Okay, so now for all of these, I'm going to group them together because I want to add some effects to them. And the first thing I want to do is a white outline. So I'm going to go to Outline. Make a white outline, and then, let's see, add a little bit of white outline. I can scale it with the object. And also add an outer shadow. And just offset it a little bit. Like that. Okay, now my map, I think I've got all the things I want to add. I've got more details I could add to this map, but that's all I'm going to add for now. Thanks for watching.